Exercise Class 7th Science Lesson number 3 Properties of Natural Resources Question Answers. Question number 1 Filling the blanks with appropriate terms. A. Capacity of air to hold moisture depend upon the temperature of the air. B. Water does not have shape but has definite mass and volume. C. While freezing, the density of water is lowered. D. Neutral soil has pH 7. Question number 2. Why it is said that A. Air is homogeneous mixture of various gases. Answer. Air is homogeneous mixture of gases because it is primarily made up of nitrogen and oxygen. These elements are not separated from one and another. B. Water is a universal solvent. Answer. Water is a very good solvent because it can dissolve most every substances in it, so that water is known as a universal solvent. C. There is no alternative to water for cleaning purposes. Answer. Because water dissolves everything in it. Some water is a universal solvent. Water dissolves all other dirt present in our clothes and other items. When we soak our clothes in detergent with water to washing, and the pH of water is neutral. A. Amount of water vapor in the air increases. Answer. We feel the dampness or the humidity. B. Only one crop is grow repeatedly in the soil. Answer. The fertility of the soil decreases. Question number 4. With whom should I pair up? ग्रुप ए ग्रुप बी दिले आहे. आन्सर. एअर स्कॅटरिंग ऑफ लाईट, वॉटर एक्सर्शन, सॉइल प्लास्टिसिटी. Question number 5. State whether the following statement are true or false. A. Sandy soil has low capacity for holding water. Answer. True. B. The substances in which a solid dissolved is called a solvent. Answer. True. D. The pressure exerted by air is called atmospheric pressure. Answer. True. Question number 6. Explain the picture in your own word. Answer. Diagram A. Water is filled in the crack. Diagram B. Water in the crack turned to ice due to decreases in temperature. When it turned to ice, the volume increases and it expands. Due to expansion, the size of crack widened with the then in diagram A. Question number 7. Write answer to the following question in your own words. A. How is light scattered by the air? Answer. Air is a mixture of very fine particles. For some gases, dust, smoke and moisture. When rays of light fall on these minute particles, the particles spread the light in all the directions. This natural phenomenon is called scattering of light. B. Explain the various properties of water. Answer. 1. Water is useful for water transport due to its fluidity. 2. Water is good coolant and it is used in motor vehicle to control the temperature of the engine. 3. Water is useful for cleaning purposes such as bathing, washing clothes, etc. C. Why is the density of seawater more than that of rainwater? Answer. Seawater has more density than rainwater because it contains salt ion. This salt ion make the seawater heavier, which means the mass of the water increases due to the presence of salt ions. D. What is the importance of good soil structure? Answer. The fertility of soil depends upon soil structure. The advantages of good soil structure are as follows. 1. Roots get a sufficient supply of oxygen. 2. Water drainage is good, therefore the roots of plants grow well. E. What are the various uses of soil? Answer. 1. Plant conservation to help plant grow. 2. Water conservation. Soil hold water as a result by means of bund and lakes. We can get water for use throughout the year. 3. Plasticity. Soil can be given any required shape. This property of soil is called plasticity. Because of its plasticity, we can use it to make articles of variety of shapes. These articles can be baked to make them hard. Water stored earthen pots, earthen lamps, idols, bricks, etc. are articles made from soil. F. What is the need and importance of soil testing from the point of view of farmers? Answer. The properties of various ingredients of soil can be determined by soil testing. During soil testing, the soil is examined for color, texture and the proportion of organic matter in it. Soil is tested to find out if there is a deficiency of any ingredient. G. What is the importance of air in transmission of sound? Answer. Air is useful as a medium for the transmission of sound. Density of the air changes with temperature. If the density of air increases, we can hear the sound more loud and clear. H. Why should a glass bottle completely filled with water never be kept in a freezer? Answer. Remember that when glass bottle with water is kept in a freezer, the water inside the bottle expands due to lowering of the temperature. तर अशा प्रकारे आपण लेसन नंबर 3 प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ नॅचरल रिसोर्सेस याची एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट केलेली आहे. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, आपल्या मित्रांसोबत शेअर करा आणि चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब देखील करा. तसेच नोटिफिकेशन बेलला सुद्धा ऑन करा. यामुळे तुम्हाला नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन लगेच मिळेल.